I like to thank my teachers for the support they have given unto me. I will not take it for granted for the marks I've got. I was happy to get 400 and above because it was my target. I'm dreaming to go to Mboni Girls, and my dream career is to become a neurosurgeon.
I'd like to go to the Kapsabet boys, and my dream career is to be an architect.
We help them to read the books, the braille books, to read them, the notes which are on the blackboard, and it was very happy and exciting to be with them.
Sometimes you find that the blind learners, they are fast in reading than the low vision. So we would like to ask the Kenya National Examination Council to add time for the low visions as we do exams. So that's one of the challenges, and mostly it's the main.
Chalwa has been instrumental in assisting even other learners with visual impairment. Our teachers who are also visually impaired, they have also given him a lot of support, and they have acted as role models. We have about 4 teachers.